Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to Healthy Food Recipes. Today I am going to make very tasty Oreo banana milkshake especially for your kids. This is a very quick solution for all those children who do not eat bananas and hesitate in drinking milk. There are only 3 ingredients required to make this simple and easy milkshake. These are Oreo biscuits 3 to 4, bananas 3 and 2 cup milk. So all we need is a blender. Now adding ingredients one by one, adding bananas, then add 2 cup milk and then add Oreo biscuit. So if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. Here I have used full cream milk. Now blend all these ingredients very well. So you can see our yummy Oreo banana milkshake is ready. So your child would never say no to this milkshake. It's so yummy and delicious. Pour it in glasses and decorate it with crushed Oreo biscuits and you are done. It's a very healthy drink for everyone as bananas are a good source of potassium, calcium, folate, vitamin B6 and vitamin C. And don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends too. Thanks for watching.